Slow and steady. Watch your clearance on the left.
Clear on the left, boss.
All right, easy now. Set her down. All right, we need that shoulder plate secured before we move the shin. Confirm stability up top.
Bridge crane, engage primary lift.
Confirmed. Panel rising slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
All right, take up the slack slowly. Chain secured. Coming up. Focus on the center. We need to clear the reactor housing now. We're on it, boss. These lines are extremely thick. Watch out for the cut power down sprayers on the torso. We've got a breach in the reactor housing. Everyone, double time on the diagnostics. Slow and steady. Watch your clearance on the left.
Clear on the left, boss.
All right, easy now. Set her down. Status report on the right arm hydraulics.
Pressure test is almost complete. They are fully operational.
The reactor housing is completely compromised. We need a full bypass before we can move it.
And the visor crack goes deep.
All right, Group B, move to the shoulder section. Let's get this rough neutralized.
The reactor housing is completely compromised. We're looking at severe structural failure here. These harnesses are fused solid. All right, easy now. Keep the ascent steady. Hold it right there. Steady the descent. We need a perfect alignment on that cradle. We're clear on the left. Watch the thruster housing.
Coming in steady. Easy now.
This section needs more reinforcement before we apply the primer.
Understood. I'll reinforce it immediately.
Status report on the right arm hydraulics.
Pressure test is almost complete. They are fully operational.
Pressure holds. All joints are responding smoothly. It's fully operational. Flawless. The stabilization sequence is holding perfectly at 70% capacity.
Pull it tighter on your side.
Okay, locking it down now. Careful with the shoulder joint alignment. We need the green light before we secure the red panels.
Bring it up 5 more feet and hold.
Copy that. Coming up.
Left side, pull left. Steady, steady. And lock it down.
Lower the main gantry by 5 centimeters. Copy that. Watching the reactor proximity.
Easy now, lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the left, boss. Okay, settle it in. Hold it there.